guys, I'm with the gang. I'm Zala. Anka. Yeah, man, it's okay, guys. Gang, say hey. Spone snake, guys. Spone snake. Bayasibulala. Umzala uthi, guys, niyasibulala uzoyobiza utatayo. Baleki anaconda, guys.
The effort leyo baba.
Beautiful, guys. Yeah, boy. Yeah, chongana mans. Guys, ini. Hey. Have you ever, guys? Have you ever? Who would have thought that was nice? That was too nice.
Is that a semanzi? Ndutu, come get a video. Get inside.
Vanilla. Oh, guys, that very refreshing. You prep. Thank you, friend.
Come help me out. Yes. He's taking the picture. I'm taking the video. Together. Yes, I've joined it. You joined together. Sure, Lungas.
Taking off the substitutes.
Uyafana nomama makaya ngakude mntatake bafe.
Yazi phone lisa but
Kuba.
Shakes. I'm gonna tell you when I'm going to.
I know I can trust on you. I can believe
All the time.
Hey guys, thank you very much. Guys,
Yes. This is his.
Thank you very much,
the waterfall park. I'm gonna call it a park for now. Guys, like it's broad daylight, like the sun is out. Scorching hot. I hate the sun. So, negasiyambe, epaya, behind the roundabouts. And then walk, I don't know until where. Like, I can't, guys. I hate the sun. Hate it. Zala, I think, Diti Mzala ngoku, guys, is the visuals, is the flowers in his Fumanapa ki waterfall. And kusetyenziswe laa mbombozi la bhotile ke guys ndiyiselani yabo. So nice. And history ke guys, but I'm lazy to read. I'm not in the mood to read about flowers. Trustan ke guys umzala. Waterfall ingapa. And then everything was fine up until ndabona last sign. You. Let's see. So nibonisa indlela. Use steps at own risk. Yabo? Kuthiwa yonke into it's at own risk bantu abasekhaya. So yiki. Kusekuhle kodwa guys. So yeah, Ibrayet is across the road from here.
Kukhona umculo nje apho sekhona.
Hi Brian.
Oh. I can't even hear the water sounds. Yo. Ouch. Nyatheleli tyeni. Almost there. Sesifikile. There we are. Yo, I say, Mzala. It's beautiful. Jonga amafoto ethu aphake sana. Hello. Hello.
Nansi waterfall ke guys in you. So nice. Jonga surround oyintoni guys. Uzongena pha ezantsi. Umzala ke okoko kwelindile. We are finally here. Oh my goodness. Zalungawi. Zara. Hey. Yes, girl. Now it's guys, the waterfall. Ha! We are up here. We are right here. Now it's guys, the waterfall. I can't. Langena. Bawele phaya mzala.
Mawazi ngenda welo hlobo unikwa only Saturday as day yakho ye off.
Wait, Monday to Sunday.
Nalo Saturday
Zala!
uyangena kusasa but ke uyafamba
Ya, lo senthathe video.
Ngiyabawela mfethu man. Kom bizi. She's good.
Kom kaloku man. Hali bambile le. Kom boyki. Okay. We fine, yeah. We fine, yeah. Batin. Sisifundele thina lungazi.
If you do come here with flip-flops, I didn't bring any flip-flops. I don't know why, because I don't like the flip-flops that I have right now. So, ibhlungu man, guys, there's like little stones and stuff, and jonga. Oh, guys, I didn't show you. Oh, I love Oronta, guys. I love rondavels. Look. Ever? When an ambulance, guys. Ambulance. What are the chances of Nina Niboni ambulance? What's this place? Monwabisi Beach or wherever. So, I'll tell you guys all about today. But in the meantime, just admire the beauty. Like us. Hi, waterfall. Bye. Ons gaan Brino. Yes, guys, our date was planned for tomorrow, but when we looked at the weather was saying about 90% rain, so we opted, we moved our dates around to today. So yeah. Oh, your girl will tripod, yeah, okay? Wow. Leave a tripod, yeah, because I'm using my hand and ear, you know, guys. So yeah. How's your Heritage Day? Yes! How's your dad? All right. So guys, this is the rest of the gang. Baba yeba sheka while we were braaiing. Nae chakalaka guys, mama kaskeli wasenza le chakalaka. Bafowethu. Yaba kwenza ne broccoli, birthday boy guys lowa. Thina ngathi utipile friends. Thina ngayanga emanzini. Kaloku baxa bebuyile befanele banyahamba. Uswag. Nancy ambience, guys. This is everyone. kwabantu bebala abantu bamnyama. Sizodlala Roadtrip, guys. Meet me in the club. It's going down. So, okay, guys, today, last week Monday, we had decided we are going on a trip to do something different as friends, because we always do is in busy one. So we decided, you know what, we should go far, go cry, go chill, drink, swim, and then go. It's the word. So sorry, I can buy the party background, and the other one in Andiva. So we decided this is my gang, yeah, they're broke, guys. And also we grew up together, like sikhule sonke, sihlale ngenqine eyi-one. Our parents are friends, you know, our brothers are friends, our siblings are friends, so it's that kind of setup. So again, we decided to come Braai Roadtrip. Who does that? We're not spending the night, we're just coming to Braai, and then go after Braai, enough food and chill, we're going home. So yeah, this is gonna be something that we do like every second month, unless it's someone's birthday. We're gonna do it on a month-to-month basis. The next outing is on the 31st of October. We are going to Epetanosta for birthday Cascala, and izawusuka, guys. And what's nice is that Epetanosta from where we stay, it's not that far compared to here. And also Namhlanje, we had a lot of stops. I'll try and show you stops that we did throughout the day. So yeah, enjoy, guys. So happy Heritage Day. I hope is representing who you are. I'm all about black women and black men and black kids being themselves, guys. The most important thing that you can do for Umtanako is teach them who they are, who you are, where you come from, where they're going. Is do for guys. So, because what we do is Abantwana Betu, they're all about the Chris movement. Abantwana Betu, they're all about the English. They can't speak Ivanek, and I don't find that cute. Sorry if I'm offending anyone. Oh, you don't have a kid, so you can't say. I already have set rules of how, in terms of the languages, how things are gonna be. We speak isiXhosa, English, siyathetha. Uthethwa isiXhosa from the car to endlini. Everything else ningathetha ke ngoku esikolweni, English izawuphela apha esikolweni. But xa kufika apha endlini izoba molo mama. Yeah, I understand that, but yeah. Even guys, I love each and every one of you. This is what we're doing next. Yeah.